Hello, good morning. 26th November. Construction of quadrilateral. I go for worksheet second and third. All constructions are similar of worksheet first. So for worksheet second, I have taken here three sums, and then worksheet three, one sum for worksheet three. Look here first sum. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, CD is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and diagonals are AC is equal to 6 centimeter and BD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now, construction of a quadrilateral with three sides and two diagonals are given. If two diagonals and three sides are given, so I have taken here, I have take base one of the diagonals, either AC or BD. So first, draw a line segment. One of the base, that is AC is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is equal to 6 centimeter. After that, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, and CD is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment. AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, here is point B and D. With A and C as center and radii equal to 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. AB is your 4 centimeter and CB is your 3 centimeter. With A as center and radius equal to 4 centimeter, draw an arc. And with C as center and radius is equal to 3 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point B. Join AB and CB. After that, with C as center and radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Last one, with B as center and radius is equal to 5.5 centimeter, draw the previous arc at point D. Join CD and AD. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilaterals. Steps will be same. So, please complete this constructions. Next, second question is that construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6 centimeter, and diagonals are 7 centimeter each. Again, this is a similar construction of worksheet first. Both diagonals are of length 7 centimeter. You have to take your AC is equal to 7 centimeter, and then AB is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeter. After that, with C as center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, and one of the diagonal is 7 centimeter. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Next, third, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which three sides are 4 centimeter each, and both diagonals are 6 centimeter each. So I go for this questions. Third question, both diagonals are 6 centimeter each. So draw a line segment. AC is equal to 6 centimeter and three sides are of equal length, that is 4 centimeter. With A and C as center and radii equal to 4 centimeter, draw arcs intersecting each other at point B. Join AB and CB. Again, C as center and radius is equal to 4 centimeter, draw an arc. After that, B as center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point D. Join AD and CD. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So, all construction will be similar. You can do your construction using ruler and compass. Next, I go for a fourth sum, that is, this is construct a quadrilateral MNRS with side MN is equal to 5.5 centimeter, NR is equal to 6 centimeter, RS is equal to 6.5 centimeter. These are three sides of a quadrilateral, and diagonals MR is equal to 8 centimeter and NS is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So here in these questions we are going to construct a quadrilateral MNRS. MR and NS. MR and NS are two diagonals, and MN, NR and RS are three sides of a quadrilateral. Again, draw a line segment. MR is equal to 8 centimeter with M and R as centers and radii equal to 5.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Draw arcs intersecting each other at point N. Join MN and Rn. After that, with RS centers and radius is equal to 6.5 centimeter, draw an arc. And with NS center and radius is equal to 7.5 centimeter, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point MNRS. This point is called your S. So, join MS and RS. Thus, MNRS is the required quadrilateral. So, in this way, you can do the construction of other parts also. Question number 5th. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4.5 centimeter, diagonals AC is equal to 6 and BD is equal to 6.5. Again, similar construction of questions first, second and third. Last one is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4, CD is equal to 5. Diagonals BD is equal to AC is equal to 6.5. Again, so you have to do question number 5th, 6th and 2nd of this worksheet. Second, next I go for worksheet 3rd. Construction of a quadrilateral with the 2 sides and 3 angles are given. There are 2 parts. You have to go only for first part. I have go for first sum. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 120 degree and angle D is equal to 75 degree. Construction of a quadrilateral with the 2 sides and 3 angles are given. If 3 angles are given, then you can find from these 3 angles, find 4th angles. Subtracting the sum of these 3 angles from 360. So first of all, we can find angle B. Angle B is equal to 360 minus 255 is equal to 105. Because 3 angles of a quadrilateral are given and we can find here 4th one. This is because if we take AB as your base, then angle A is given, but B is not given. So from these 3 angles, we find this angles B. So first, construction of a quadrilateral with the 2 sides and 3 angles. First, take your one of the side as a base, AB. AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 3.5 centimeter and at A, draw angle BAX is equal to 60 degree with the help of ruler and compass. And at B, we have to find here angle B. At B, draw angle ABY is equal to 105. So how we can construct an angle 105 degree? First, make your angle 90 degree. After that, bisect angle 90 and 120. In the end, you will get angle 105 degree. Okay, 105 degree. So at B, draw angle ABY is equal to 105 degree and cut off BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter from this ray BY. And at C, draw angle BCZ is equal to 120 degree. Now join with C and it intersect ray AX at point D. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. In this way you can do the construction of a quadrilateral with 2 sides and 3 angles are given. I have to solve here only one questions and you can go for other 3 parts, and after that we go for this question number 2nd. So tomorrow you have to do worksheet 2nd and these 3 parts of question first. So day after tomorrow I have send you next worksheet of next YouTube of worksheet 3rd and 4th. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.